Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another hotel room review. I'm at the Travelodge in Chinatown. I think the room is about 30 bucks a night, but I did get an upgrade. I got one with the balcony. And honestly, I shouldn't have got it because I didn't even use it one time at all. It is nice, it is a queen bed, but you know me, I usually like my two beds. I can lay on one before shower and one after shower. The room's not bad. Let me show you the room real fast. This is the door as soon as you walk in. You kind of hang your clothes on this little pole dinghy, and then I'm assuming this is where you're supposed to sit, but I decided to put all my stuff here instead. They do give you a kettle, coffee, tea. If they come with 2 water bottles, I did use it. They didn't bring me 2 more water bottles like they did at the other hotel, the 5 Element. So that was nice of 5 Element. This one didn't refill my water. If I asked them, maybe they would have. They do have a fridge you can use, which is really nice. That's my lion head. This is the bed. Bed is not bad. I slept pretty good. It's a hard bed again, just like all the other hotels I stayed in. Pillows. This pillow is more firmer than the other one. Not as soft. I actually turned on the TV, but the TV sucks. There's like not much channels at all. It's like all local channels, something like that. So it's not really worth watching. They do have the radio if you want to listen to music though. Pretty big space. Not much space here, but this is the balcony. I can't really show the balcony because it's dark. Maybe tomorrow morning if I wake up in time I can show you the balcony. They do have a nice little work area for you to work with. That's where I do my contacts in the morning. I don't want to do it in the restroom. I'm gonna go drop in the sink somewhere. You got your plugs right here, dude. Ain't gonna lie, man, I did not see these plugs at first. Got your little nightlight reader right here. So that's pretty cool. Not gonna lie, I didn't see these plugs at first, man. Over here, turn off the light over here. Once again, you got your USB plugs. I don't recommend using them because you don't know what it plugs into, and people can, install it into your phone or your cameras and whatnot. You got your outlet right there. As I was saying, it took me a long time to find this outlet. It blended in with the wall so well that I decided to unhook the desk light, which is down there, and use that one, and then I noticed that. I would say the phone worked because I had to call guest services so I could get a new towel. They didn't do housekeeping, so they didn't bring me new towels. Over here, you do have a full-size mirror, so this is nice. None of the hotels I stayed in had, I don't know, did the 5 Element have a full-size mirror? I don't remember. But I think this is the only one I stayed in with a full-size mirror for, so people that want to look good or see how fat they got, really matters. The restroom is a sliding door. Okay, once again, I don't know if it has a fan, so if you take a shit in here, it might stink a little bit. This is a shower. I would say the shower is pretty nice. It's actually one of these handheld ones, and I haven't used one of these in a long time, so that was actually pretty nice. Shampoo, shower, whatever, gel, body, whatever. So they do provide that, and I'm glad they did because I love my Syngenting, so that was very helpful. They do give you toothbrush kit too as well. I forgot to show you what the other places give you, but they don't give you much. They don't give you much amenities here. One roll of toilet paper, another big ass mirror. Your toilet, so you can see, it's like, you bang your knees against this shit, dude. Like, what the fuck, man? It's just kind of tight, dude. And I guess you got something to spray your butthole with too, I guess. I don't know, man. It's like, see, restroom's pretty tight, man. It's really, really tight. Man, I need some bigger restrooms, man. In fact, I don't want to be rude, but if you're on the bigger size, I feel sorry for you guys, man. It's just tight in here, dude. I mean, I'm not that big, but I'm big, but I'm not that big. It's still bigger than me. I feel sorry for you guys. Over here, you got your whatever AC dinghy, more lights and stuff. Over here, you got to put your card in to turn on the light. And yeah, this is the hotel room, man. It's not bad. I will have one complaint. I checked in at like 2:40, and then or maybe 2:30. I don't remember. And they're like, yeah, your room will be ready in like 20 minutes or something like that. Okay, cool. It's 3 o'clock. It's not check-in time yet. No big deal. I understand. Room's not ready yet. Okay. Man, like half an hour passed by. But hey, man, is my room ready yet? They're like, oh no, the supervisor still need to double check. Like, yo, double check what, man? And I was like, hey, can I go check the room myself and I'll let you know what's wrong with it? I'm like, seriously, what you need to double check? Right? Like, if there's something wrong with the room, I'll let you know. Okay? And like, at least, worst case scenario, just let me at least put my bags in my room so I can leave and go do something, and you can do what you need to do with the room. But let me put my bags down at least But man, but after I made the complaint, my room was ready in 5 minutes. You might just have to be a little bit pushy. The lobby is actually really nice. Let me show you the lobby. This is the lobby area. It's actually really huge. Got a lot of seats for you to sit and chill, do some work. They do have free Wi-Fi at this hotel. Wi-Fi is actually really nice too. Got vending machines here. Front desk area. It's actually really nice, like I said, man. You can just relax here, get some work done. Got more sofas here. And the elevators are behind the check-in. Front door. This is technically in Chinatown. It's not really in the pedaling street, the walkway exactly, but it's like one block over, and the block is really short. This is more on the outer skirt of Chinatown, I guess, but it's really close to the train station, bus station too as well. This is actually still a very nice place to stay. Good location, especially if you want to go to Central Market. Central Market is literally like a 2-3 minute walk, so Central Market is nice. I won't say Central Market is nice, but it is a good area to do shopping. So I recommend this hotel. I think 5 Element or the Travelodge, I think both is good. This one seems a little bit more newer, more modern, as in 5 Element is a little bit more older, but it's still clean. You decide which one you like. I like both. I don't know, if I were to come back, I don't know which one I would stay in. It might just really depend on a lot of things, like price. I think the other one I paid like 50 bucks for 2 nights. This one I paid like 60 bucks for 2 nights. But that's because I got the balcony. If I didn't get the balcony, it would have been like 50 bucks again. I did book through Priceline, so that made stuff easier. So let me show you something else about this bench thingy. As I was packing, I noticed there's actually more pillows in here. So there's like 2 more pillows in here if you need more pillows, which is good. Also, another thing, man, I confirm I don't think they use face towels in Malaysia. This is the third hotel where they only give you a body towel and no face towel. 3 hotels and no face towels is body towel. So if you like to wash your face, either use the bath towel or make sure you bring your own. It's an FYI. Show my balcony real fast. It's nice and sunny outside. It is actually pretty nice. But there's only 1 chair though. Shows you how much I've been out here. I don't know why there's only 1 chair. Maybe because there's only 1 person staying here. I don't know, but I mean, if you want some fresh air, you know, I guess it's not that bad. You see, you go in that corner right there. You turn right, and then you go down like 1 street, and then that's Chinatown right there. You got a nice little temple right there. I don't know what kind of temple it is. Religious building right there. So it's nice. Central Market is right there. So a really nice location. Well, I hope you like this review. I know it's kind of short. Because, well, it's short because the room is small. There's not much to show, but I hope you like the review. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I really do appreciate you doing all that, and I appreciate you watching. Be sure to check out my Malaysia playlist. There's a bunch of videos. Thank you for watching. Remember, you are awesome. Peace.